Hey, namaste, I'm Kay, this is Ecstatic Self. Today I want to talk a little bit about friendship. Friends are wonderful. We need them in our life, we need to feel connected with other people. But one of the thoughts I want to bring up this week is this idea of mutuality, or are you both working towards a common goal? Because friendships need to be a give and take relationship. Neuroscientists have found that if a relationship feels one-sided, that one person is giving and the other person is taking, that there isn't reciprocity, then it doesn't trigger the same neurons in your head. You won't feel like you are really getting something meaningful out of the experience, either of you, even if you are the one accepting. So how do you both give and receive? And how do you both, over time, equalize the effort that you're putting in? Because I know we all have those friends who we are always the ones who are calling, or always the ones who are texting, or the ones who are always making the effort, sending the gifts on their birthday, sending the cards. And over time, that becomes exhausting. So I want to encourage you to examine the friendships in your life and examine, are you being equally matched with the people you care about? Are they showing up for you when it's important? Are you showing up for them when it's important? Are they taking your calls when you need it? Are they willing to send you a card on your birthday? Are they willing to, allow you to help them? And will they show up when you're moving? Will they help you? Is there reciprocity? Is there mutuality? Are you working towards something together? Because a lot of times I find that people, and myself included, will stick in friendships or other type of relationships because of history, right? Well, this person was kind to me in the past, or I really love this person, or we experienced so much together. But in the present, it's no longer a functioning relationship. There is no longer that give and take. And it can be hard to realize, well, are they serving me now? People grow and change, I grow and change. Are we all mutually benefiting from this relationship? And those can be tough questions to ask. And they can be tough answers to sit with and deal with. And I would never recommend just cut somebody out of your life carte blanche, but it may be worth examining, do I need to keep making an effort? Because I know there's been numerous instances in my life where I've been the one always initiating. I've been the one who's always been texting and following up. And then I stop and I never hear from them again. Was this relationship really what I thought it was, what I hoped it would be? Maybe, maybe not. And it can be hard to lose those people. Like I had that happen to me recently where there's this person I worked with, an actress when I lived in Chicago, and I viewed her as one of my very best friends. And we moved to Florida. She got married right at that same time, and I was unable to go to the wedding because it was the same, like the week after we moved, and it just was not possible for me to go back. And she stopped talking to me. She stopped making any effort to connect, and I reached out a few times, and it has made me sad. Like many shared memories, many beautiful experiences and moments of growth. But apparently, we've grown, we've changed, and I don't want to keep being the person trying to make the effort. It has to be mutual. And so even though I love this person, I have to kind of let them go. So who are the people in your life that you're feeling similar, that you're just saying, it's just not what it was? And if you ever find yourself in a situation where, you feel like you're the one doing all the work, it's one-sided, and you let them go, but those people keep coming back, and not in a negative way, like they don't keep using you, they just keep showing up. And you're like, okay, well, I'm just gonna let you go. And they keep showing up. There might be karma there. There might just be, some shared experience that you went through in the past, and you've got some more work to do together. I know I feel that way with some of my childhood friends, where there's definitely been periods where I was like, I don't know if I need you in my life anymore, but they keep turning up. And so I just love them and be grateful for them and enjoy when they show up and realize that, I'm not going to put in all the effort to try and make them stay. Anyhow, take some time, think about your friendships. Are they mutual? Are you both giving and receiving? And maybe you can refine and draw closer the people who are really giving back, nourishing you. I'm Kay, this is Ecstatic Self. Check out my book, available for pre-order on Amazon in ebook and hardcover, Journey to the Ecstatic Self. And I look forward to sharing more with you soon. Namaste.